Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be three main brand places today, all mixed together. So it's going to be B&M, which I haven't got the receipt for. I don't know what I've done with it. Home Bargains, I think that's literally one or two items. And then you've got Asda, which is not a lot either. So I've kind of combined them because I've got some really good stuff, but I needed to combine them each because I only got like one or two items from everywhere. That's what's today's haul sort of video. But before we get into the video, I just want to say the nitty gritty stuff, which is if you like the content, the products, the advice, anything in this video, then please do not forget to give it a massive thumbs up, because it tells me you like it. It tells me then you like it, more people want to see it, it goes round more, and the videos I'm doing that you like, so definitely give it a thumbs up. If you like the videos that much that I'm bringing to you, you can also subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button on my main page at the top. Hit the bell notification as well, because then you can be notified when I do a new video and see it there and then. Also, you can join the little love family. It would be great for you guys to come and join my little YouTube journey. Comment down below if you like anything in the video. I always 100% comment back. Suggest anything like that, I will try and do my best for. Sometimes I might not be able to achieve it, sometimes I will, depending what my work schedule is like and everything, my sort of role of life, as you could say. Definitely comment down below and I'll 100% comment back to you and like your comment every single time. The video is not sponsored in any way. I just bought these items. I either saw them on Instagram or TikTok or another social media and thought, oh, I really like them for our house. Not sponsored anyway, it's just what I kind of liked and it's all out of my own money. Check out my other social medias, which is Instagram. So you have got tazwells12, which is my main normal account, and then you have tazwells12 home, which is my home account. Please check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Now we will get into the B&M, Home Bargains and Asda haul. The first place I'm going to start is B&M. There is only two items in here. I can remember one of the prices, but I can't remember the other, so I will start with that first. I'm going to give credit to my mum on this because I always go shopping with her. There's never a time I go shopping with Neil. He doesn't like it. I do go shopping with my mum a lot. We went into B&M and we saw these. Well, she saw them actually. They are Betty Winter's home baking. Simply add water and 1 egg. Traditional pancake mix. Also makes delicious Yorkshire pudding. So it's a bit of a mixture. But why we picked these up, it's not like Pancake Day has definitely gone, but like literally we picked these up because they must have got them in for Pancake Day. These were like 10 pence. So I grabbed 2 bags, she grabbed 2 bags. For like 10 pence, 20 pence is great. I think they're normally like 50 pence or something like that. But for 10 pence, this is great. So if you want like a little easy pudding or something like that, fantastic. And they have got a really long date on them. They've got July 2023. Because my mum was like, why are they 10 pence? Have they got a short date on it? And she was like, no, they go to like next year. And I was like, I'm going to grab 2 of them as well for 10 pence, because if we don't use them in between that time, we can always use them for Pancake Day in 2023. The other little bargain I picked up, I think this is like £1.50, but I'm not 100% sure because I have lost the receipt, like I said at the beginning. But I've picked another one of these up. B&M have a load of these, like these Skinny Food Co. I've got a brownie one. It hasn't gone out of date. I bought it a very long time ago. When I go to make them, I might do it as a video because it's quite interesting to see how they come out as a brownie. I wanted to see like how good they were. But then I saw the Skinny Low Sugar Chocolate Chip Flavour Cookie Mix with Sweeteners. This is 0 palm olive, 96 calories, that's got a star near it, per cookie. And then, so it's 96k calories per cookie, 200 grams in here. And like I said, it wasn't any over, it was probably less than £2 to be honest. I thought that's really good. And this has got a really long date of July 2023 again. I heard some of these are really good. I thought, you know what, I've got a brownie one and a cookie one. Again, I am trying to cut down, so things like this are really helpful when you just want that extra little treat, because you could have a little cookie for the day and that'll be in 96 calories, which is quite good to be honest. The next one is Asda. I have got a receipt here. Yes, there's more than what I'm going to show you on here. There's 2 items I'm going to show you, pretty much the same, and then but they're different scents, so that might give you a hint what it is. But the other things are just like, we got things for Mother's Day when that happened. I just got a load of bits that we were doing a load of baking, and basically that was it on the list. And I could show you that, and some of the stuff is really good on there actually, but it might be worth when I do something like this and then show you straight away. I've got a lot of filming to do, this is why I've had to cut it down, but I kind of try and cut it down to the bits that I think you guys want to see more than anything, because you might not want to see food all the time, but the bits that you might want to see are really good actually, and they are. So this is the first one, a candle, but these are not Yankee candles that I got from Asda, and Asda do Yankee candles. If you do like Yankee candles, then fair play. I have been changed, and I have got a lot of Yankee Candle stuff. I've loved Yankee Candle stuff for a very long time. I'm not going to chuck away the candles I've got, because they are either been gifted to me or they are very expensive. So I'm just going to burn them out. Why I've got these to try, one, they were a bargain for a really big candle like this, because there's 110G in here. So this is normally the size of a massive candle that you get from Yankee, that would be like £15-20. These are £3 in there, and they're from the Est 2020 pacificwaxco. I've never seen this before. I was actually buying a present for someone from work because they were leaving, and I thought this would be really good. I'll see what these smell like, but if they smell rough, I'm not getting any. I actually got this one for her, and when I smelled it, I absolutely loved it, and I love the aesthetic of it because it's like a creamy brown, and it also has like little pictures like Yankee, and it is called Cosycottage. But when you open this, the scent just stayed with me, and I was just like, I'm not going to buy any more candles, I just burn the ones I've got. But when I smelt this one for her, I was just like, I need to get that myself. Like, if you see these candles, especially this one, give them a good whiff. They had quite a few in our local store, and that's the one I got her. But then I went to a different store, which was in Basingstoke, and I got this one. And this one I thought was like fantastic. I am not going to burn this one until like the autumn season, and it is. Pumpkin pie, warm pumpkin pie. I could not believe this. We didn't have this one in our store. When I saw this one, I was like, I need to smell that, because I got some candles that I got from Home Bargains, like I think they're called Trick or Treat. I've still got them, and I use them at Halloween time, like but I've got more decor this year. You wait for that to come, because I've got quite a bit of decor. I've got 2 that I got from Home Bargains, and they're still going. Lovely candles. But then when I saw this one, warm pumpkin pie, I had to. And this literally smells so seasonal. It's like, it's not like, it's really weird to explain. It's very pumpkin-y, but it also at the same time, it's basically like sweet, but like warm cinnamon and warm scents of like apple and stuff like that. That sort of like warm scent, and I couldn't wait to have that. And that was £3. I had to pick that one up as well. So I was going to get that one anyway, but luckily we went to this other store in Basingstoke and I found this one. So this one's actually going to go in my autumn box. because he's not going to get burnt until September, October time, and when it's coming Halloween, because this is good. And also I need to report when I do burn these, I will try and remember on one of these videos randomly how they burn, because the Yankee ones, like I said, I do love them, but they burn. And I noticed if you do not have a window or something in there, black soot goes up your nose, especially if you're in a small room. We found it at my mum's that we just had black in our nose, and we were like, where are we getting this from? And it was them candles. So every time I burn them, I have the window open like a tiny little bit just to let that out. But it does it secretly, or it does it when you blow it out, because you see this black smoke. So I need to see if these are exactly the same, but £3 each for a candle. Like, these are fantastic. Like Asda, wherever you get these from, you need to bring more out, because they're just great. Last places now is Home Bargains. I have got my receipt here. I got one thing I was actually physically looking for ages, and it was the last one there, so I'm really happy. I got some other things in there. Again, the other thing that I probably could tell you was I got the popcorn in there. So at the moment, Home Bargains and B&M are doing like 4 like bags. They're like pocket bags that you could put in the microwave for £1. So they have salty and sweet, and sweet, and you can like mix and match them. So I got one sweet and salty, and then the other sweet. We love them. They are the greatest. I don't know what they were like on calories, but I got like, I don't know if you've seen it yet, but I got in another haul, like a popcorn bag, and it's great. Like, it's like a box, a massive box, and it'll take 2 of them bags in it, but we love it. Like, getting that, having a film, eating the popcorn, great. So they are like 4 for £1, which is fantastic price. And I think that was it that I haven't got here to show you, but now I will show you the next load of items. I am loving a good fake flower or a good fake plant. I love real plants. We have got some daffodils in the garden. I brought them from Poundland. I think you saw it on a haul. I actually planted them like before Christmas last year. Like, it must have been about October time. It told you to plant them. I put them in the shed, so they survived, and now I'm getting them out. They're just flourishing, which is really good. I've put them all in pots, but we will put them, I think, get them out of the pots when they've like come up a little bit more. Put them in the front garden, because then they come up every single year, so that. But I do love a good real flower, but I seem to kill them off. That's the problem. They either really do survive, or they die. That's why I go for a fake plant or a fake flower. And I did see these in Home Bargains a while ago, but I thought, no, I don't need them. But I got something else after this item to show you that I might put these in. But I did buy a little body vase from Primark. It's a little tiny one, and I was going to like split these up and put one of these in, but I don't know what to do with them now. This is the item, me going rambling on. This is like a bouquet. It was for Mother's Day, so I don't know if they've probably gone down now, if they had any left. But I do love a good fake flower, and I thought these were really pretty. I really like these. Like these eucalyptus long fit flowers. We've got some down in a vase downstairs. I got them out of Asda. I think I showed you them on a haul as well. But they just had, like, I don't really like pinks and stuff, but I just love the aesthetic of the flowers. They come in this little bouquet thing. It's called a Forever Flux Artificial Bouquet. Don't know whether to cut this bit off and individually put them in other places. Now, I don't know what to do with it at the moment, because 1, it is all tied up really nicely. 2, have I paid more for this plastic than the flowers? I don't know, but these are priced at £2.99, which I thought was really good, because they've got a little short stem, and that's what I was going to do. I was going to probably take one of these out and put them into that like little vase, like some of these, but I don't know if they're stuck together once you get down there, so I don't know what to do at the moment. Still, £2.99 for that is a really good price. I really love them, and they're really, really pretty. They did have another design, but I can't remember what it was, but I went for like the more greens and beiges with that tiny little pink in this item. I can't believe I found. I was looking for about 2 stores to find this item. It is absolutely crazy, and the item is this. Absolutely love this. I was looking for 2 vases actually. Primark's got a body vase. I'm not sure what size it is. I got a tiny little white one that I did want it in black, but I could only find it in white. And I have seen on their Instagram that they have got another one, but I can't seem to find that anywhere. I've been to about 3 stores or 2 stores. I don't know what's happened there. Can't find it. This was like gold dust as well. Like, I saw this on Home Bargains and I was like, oh my god, I absolutely love this. Went to one, it was not in there. Went to this one and saw it was the last one there. As you can see, it's just this like ribbed glass vase, which is very nice, and it's like a dark grey, which goes really nice in this house. Like, we've got bits of dark grey all over the place. Really, really love this. The only thing I was disappointed with this when I saw this was, we were like, why is it the last one? There's no chips on it, but at the top there's like, it's like been really cut really bad. I don't know if you can see it. Like, you can see like little chips, and I think it's just, we were like, is it chipped? And we were like, no, I don't think it is. It's all the way round. We were like, it's definitely got to be the way it's cut, the glass is cut, which is a bit of a shame really, because 1, that's dangerous, and 2, it's a lovely design. Why would you then just do that? Why didn't you just shave it off? I don't know if that cost them more. I don't know. It's still a really beautiful vase. It's, I feel like it's an upside down rainbow, and I just love it. I think it'd be really, really pretty. And this was at the price of £4.99, which I don't think it's too bad. I don't think that's really ridiculous price. I think it's okay, but I just wish they'd done the edge bit at the top. But I'm still really happy I've got this, because this must have been really, really popular again. I could only find this one in the store, which I was really, really lucky about. So I grabbed it, and I'm going to put some flowers in it. I don't know if I'm going to put these flowers in it and just leave them like that. But I don't think they're going to sit very well in that. But we'll figure out, because I'm definitely not putting real flowers in. None of my vases have got real flowers in it. This one's going to be a lovely vase. That is everything in the haul. I know it's a bit mix mash with the different places, but I thought there were some really good, nice bits in here. Bits hard to get, bits and bargains, some really nice stuff, some cooking, home stuff. Loved it. The candles are a bargain. So if you're looking for some good candles for your house, definitely these out, because like I said, they are like a full large size of a Yankee candle. £3. Fantastic. I think they're a bit underrated, to be honest. It was a great haul, and I hope you have liked it. Like I said at the beginning, if you have, then please do give it a massive thumbs up, because it'd be absolutely great to keep me going if you like the videos and other people can see it. So like I said, give it a thumbs up. Come and subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button. Join the little love family and my YouTube journey by hitting the subscribe button and the bell notification if you want to be notified when a new video has been uploaded. Comment down below. I will 100% comment back to your comment every single time and like your comment. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands I did mention or any places. It's all out of my own money, and it's just an advice video for you guys. Check out my other social medias. On Instagram, there's 2. Like I said at the beginning, check them out please. Like, follow, comment, whatever you would like to do, please, that'd be great. This has come unfortunately to the end of the B&M, Home Bargains and Asda haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day or a lovely evening, and I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.